Welcome back to Trish Next. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with BoxyCharm.
It seems like it came really early. Today is the 7th, if I'm not mistaken. And so we're excited that this is our first box of the new year
and
that
I'm
we're getting.
Sick again, this time with a sore throat. I'm hoping I don't lose my voice. It's the third time in a month I've been sick.
I said I could talk enough for the two of us.
I don't know, take care of myself. What am I trying to show? I don't know. It looks like that, and then under the card in that, it looks like that. I don't know what I'm trying to show here. You can have the card.
And this box, as you guys know, is now $26-ish. So it did go up in price, and I can't recall why. I feel like it's either bigger samples
I think they're doing bigger sizes.
Ooh, I like that.
I know. I'm liking what I see here. Good
Yeah,
job,
so
BoxyCharm.
So this is Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask.
Sorry.
I just like that brand. The 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. I could totally use that. So that's a good one. And then, let's see.
Then Wonder Beauty's Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo.
It says, prepare for the perfect getaway with a Trip for Two. This soft matte blush and bronzer cheek duo blends seamlessly onto skin to deliver a naturally glowing complexion. Add buildable warmth and a flush of color to skin with this long-wearing sun-kissed duo made with a hydrating blend of mango seed butter and sunflower seed oil to help soothe and brighten, enriched with lotus flower and seed buckthorn extract to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. How about the fine lines and wrinkles this time?
And this is Mana Kadar, as I say, Beauty Simplified. I'm not sure what it is, but
it's a lip whip. Lip whip. I can't say that. This is a matte lip color that's whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. If that's true, that's cool. Although I don't know if I'd wear that color because, I don't know, it looked like goldish.
You've seen everything in here. I think this is the thing I'm probably most excited to get. Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter.
It says this one-of-a-kind highlighter is infused with real crushed diamond powder, if you can believe it, and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant, fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Light up your complexion with pure pink radiance in a silky powder formula by swirling our dual tone opalescent, almost gonna say that, shades together create an ethereal custom glow all on its own. Each highlighter is created with our unique marble pouring technique, ensuring no two highlighters will ever look the same, just like a real diamond. So that's cool if they're all individual.
It's time to shine. I love their products. I'm trying to open it up so I can.
Ooh, that is pretty. I don't know. So I don't know what to wear that for. I mean,
you
I
can
guess
wear it as a bronzer, if you want shimmer, but not to contour.
I guess just because I don't wear that often, but it is very, very pretty to look at.
I wonder if I can swat it.
You're ruin the diamond.
Ooh, see that? Oh my gosh, that's pretty.
Sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. If you guys can see it over there. Hopefully.
I don't know. Hopefully. That's pretty. Yeah.
And last,
I thought I would swatch something.
Lastly, this would go
and then
if you want it to.
Well, here's with the plastic on.
I'm guessing Beauty, but it looks like Butte. Says this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application, the most excellent color payoff. I
can't even get the box open. Maybe I should just. I was trying to show it, but unless you want to give it a go.
I can, but it's your last thing.
So I wanted, just in case we were gonna. Oh, I think I got it. Because if we were gonna put it in a giveaway, I wanted to be able to show them. Why is that one? Okay, one of these little tabs are crushed in, and that is not my fault. I did not pack it like that. Or I guess you can show it. It was called Vintage Dawn. I don't know if we saw that.
Oh.
Okay. Do you want to show it?
Oh, wow, pretty, but not colors I would wear.
Yeah, not colors I particularly would wear. I mean, sometimes I like wearing blues, but my favorite colors are.
Touch the plastic on there, but those are the colors. Very, very bold, beautiful, but just not the colors I would normally wear. So
yeah.
I'm leaving the plastic on there, so we're not touching it.
Giveaway. Yeah, and
so I'm not touching the product itself.
Too much since
but that was it. And the boxes I feel like really good for the price paid. So good job, BoxyCharm, as she said. 2 thumbs up for you. If this video is quick enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to stay subscribed or subscribed if you're not already to know about all of our giveaways like the current one we're doing. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.